Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bear bag. So we will work it so now I will show you how to make that kind of a piece. We will start by a magic circle, chain 3 and work 8 double crochets here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochets. Just pull it tightly, go into this first stitch, work a slip stitch. Round 1 is completed. In round 2 we will work 2 double crochets into each stitch, and at the end of this round I need to have 16 double crochets here. Okay, so round 2 is also finished. Now I will make round 3. And how to make round 3? Make just chain 3, go into the same stitch, work a double crochet. So that means 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one, then 2 double crochets into the same next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next one. So this is how I just finished the round. 8, we need to just make 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and 56 double crochets in this last round, and then when these both would be completed, the strap will be completed, and the other things. So then we will make the details on it, and then I will show you how to assemble it, and then we will just see how our project came out at the end. Okay, so after I have decided that this needs to be my size, I will just measure it like that, because I need to make a piece for zipper. Okay, so decided from where I need to. Okay, so because I will make this exactly the way, exactly into the same size, so I need to just check it and round. How much is this? Okay, so I need to make a piece of 19.5 inches. Recheck it, do it halfway, almost 9 point something, so it would be the same way, 19.5. Okay, so now I'll show you how to make it. Here's the zipper that I will attach. So I will from 19.5 just measure it. This is 6.5. So when we will make the piece, I need to just open this here, because this needs to be really filled, and when we will attach it, it should be empty from the center. Okay, so chain 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, 10 and 3 6 8, 3 from here, 3 from here, and 3 I will skip for the zipper. Okay, so I have worked 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, so it's okay. I will make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Chain 1, and I will just turn it, do the same thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so I will do the same thing, chain 1 and turn until I have got 13 inches 13 inches long strap, and then the rest of 6 inches I will make chain 3, skip 3 chains. I will make 6 inches of these 3 single chains, then cut the yarn. Then I will just attach the yarn here and work 3 stitches here long until 6, and then we will just join it and cut the yarn, and then we will attach it on this piece, on this one, and the similar the other one also. So then I will one by one I will show you how to assemble all these, and okay, so rest of the tutorial will be after finishing of this piece. Okay, so now we will see how to make the strap. To make a strap, I will just make a slip knot. Take these kind of 2 rings. Okay, so chain 1, go into this ring, work 1 2 3 and 4 single crochets here. Okay, now make 1 2 and 3 chains, yarn over, go into this very first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through all the 3 loops together, chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook into this first stitch, pull up a loop, work a half double crochet, chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook into this first chain stitch here, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull it through all the 3 loops together, chain 3, yarn over, go into this first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through all the loops together, chain 3, yarn over, insert the hook into this very first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through all the loops together, chain 3, yarn over, chain 3, yarn over, go into this stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through all the loops together. So this is how I will work continuously, and this zigzag strip would be created like this, like stairs, beautiful. And then I will just attach on the last end, I will attach this ring also, and this is how my strong strip would be finished, and this part is also completed now. Okay, so now I will show you all the pieces. These two are exactly same round pieces here. Okay, so now I will show you how to make the ears on this top. Okay, so attach it here, chain 1, go into the same stitch, work a single crochet, work a half double crochet into the same stitch, work a double crochet here, in the next stitch work a double crochet and a double treble crochet in the same stitch, then yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, yarn over 3 times again, go into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, work a double crochet into the same stitch. In the next one, work a double crochet, work a half double crochet in the same stitch, work a single crochet into the same stitch. So this is how we will make a bear identically. They should be identical. Now till here I will show you. We'll just count them: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So in the next 20 stitches I will make slip stitches: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 single, half double, double, double crochet, double treble crochet in the next, yarn over 3 times, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, 3 times, yarn over, go into the same stitch, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, yarn over twice, go into the next one, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, work a double crochet in the same stitch, in the next work a double crochet, then work a half double crochet, then work a single crochet and slip stitch, then I will just cut the yarn. So both identical sides are completed. Okay, this was the strap that I've told you how to make it. This was super easy and nice and stylish, and this was the central piece that would be placed like here. This is the place to attach zipper. Here we will attach our zipper, and now we will, first part is that we will attach face, eyes here, the face here, and then we will attach all the details on it. Okay, so take a black yarn. We will make eyes first. In a small magic circle, I will make chain 1 2 and 3 and work 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochets, pull it tightly, work one more, 9 double crochets, make a slip stitch on the top, and this is one of my eye. So I will make exactly 9 double crochets in a magic circle, and my second eye would also be completed. I'll just cut the yarn, and at the end we will just attach it, but first of all we will make all the pieces here. Okay, so both the eyes are completed. Now we'll make face here, and how to make it? We will start by making, okay, so let's start it by a magic circle, chain 1, work 10 single crochets here into this magic circle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Pull it tightly, then make a slip stitch on the top, chain 1, go into the same stitch, work 2 single crochets into each stitch. Okay, so one more round of increasing, chain 1, go into this first stitch, work 2 single crochets and 1 in the next, then 2 in the next and 1 in the next. So that means in the end of round 3 I need to have 30 single crochets here. Let's wrong side in between these two ears. I will sew it all the way around like that. Then on this top I will sew this piece, so it will be that kind of a piece, and this front piece needs to be decorated with 2 eyes, and this face needs to be, I will sew nose, hair and lips. I will make a bow here and attach it right here. So I will just finish sewing. First of all I will sew this zipper in this proper place here. With the help of a yarn needle I will sew this zipper here. Then we will assemble one by one every piece on the top. I will sew a bow here, and then I will attach here this ring and here. So this is how I will show you my end product, and I hope you will like it. I will just work on the details and then I will show you how it looks at the end. For filling I will use this. After filling it, then I will place it here. After making a nose and lips, I will fill it with fiber and then I will fix it here. Okay, so this is my end product. As you can see, I have sewn all the pieces here. I have worked a little bow and attached it here. This is my zipper side, and I have attached strips also. So I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. For any query you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.